A very warm welcome back to the fish room. In today's video, the curious Beckfords, or otherwise known as the golden pencilfish.
Ah, that's Mr. Beckford to you!
The ever-curious Beckford's pencilfish is a stunning and peaceful species that always takes centre stage, peering out of the tank and eagerly greeting you whenever you stray near your aquarium.
Feed me now!
Their inquisitive and personable nature alone makes them one of the most delightful nanofish species to select when choosing the inhabitants to stock in your aquarium. These little lovelies are aptly named pencilfish thanks to their uncanny resemblance to stationary pencils. Huh? Or perhaps for reasons unknown. Regardless, these fish bring a touch of elegance as they casually hover and gently glide around the aquarium. Beckford's pencilfish is arguably the most common pencilfish species found in the fish-keeping hobby.
Common?
Let me finish, please. They are common because, in large part, they have captured the hearts of many hobbyists around the world.
Ah, I like that!
They are commercially bred easily, making them economical and easy to source. Their hardiness and adaptability also add to their appeal, but most importantly, their personality and subtle beauty with rich copper-like hues bring a touch of elegance to any aquarium. Within the confines of a tank, Beckford's pencilfish gracefully navigates the middle and lower water layers. They thrive in calm, serene environments that mimic their natural habitats and exhibit a notable preference for setups with a gentle water flow.
My flow was way better when I was younger.
Beckford's pencilfish typically reaches an adult size of about 1.5 to 2 inches, 4 to 5 centimetres in length.
That's big, right?
These pencilfish are excellent community fish. Beckford's pencilfish in particular is known for their peaceful and social nature. They coexist harmoniously with other non-aggressive species, making them a great addition to a community tank.
Except Steve, I don't like that guy!
The Beckford's pencilfish originates from South America's beautiful lush rivers and swampy areas. Notable rivers where they have been collected from include the Rio Negro and Rio Essequibo. In the wild, Beckford's pencilfish are known to be shy and prefer to stay hidden in the vegetation.
You would stay hidden too if you saw the fish I have seen.
They thrive in soft, acidic water with temperatures typically ranging from 75 to 82 Fahrenheit or 24 to 28 Celsius. Keeping the Beckford's pencilfish in our fish room has been an absolute delight, and they've quickly become a staple in our collection. Did you catch my little stationery pun there?
Your jokes are terrible!
Their vibrant presence and engaging behaviour ensure they will always have a place in our hearts and our aquariums as we continue our fish-keeping journey.
Goodbye, everybody. Don't forget to buy some of my buddies.
Thanks for watching.